Hello everyone, welcome to another Lou's Redos. Today I'm actually doing 3 dishes. Originally it was going to be 2, and then something happened last night and I made it 3.
Basically, you came up with another idea.
Yeah, I was out to dinner with my wife, and occasionally when I go out to dinner I'd like to have a martini before dinner.
Along with wine.
So, that's wine with dinner. So, on that note, I'll explain how this affected the 3rd dish. I'm going to take a sip.
Cheers.
I like a martini with a lemon twist instead of an olive, but neither here nor there. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to do a traditional Bolognese. I already have the meat started. What I did was I used a little over a pound of beef. I used about a pound of veal, and instead of pork, ground pork, I used pancetta to get that flavor going, or the pork flavor going. And it starts with a basic mirepoix, carrots, onion, celery. I added some garlic. Just get it down like so. And I'm going to do 2 different Bolognese sauces. In this one now, to this I also added, to both of them actually, some thyme, some basil, some fresh parsley, and I'm going to add some crushed tomato. 1 28-ounce can should work nicely. There we go, that'll take care of the red. I'm going to add just the rest of the tomato. And that'll take care of the traditional Bolognese sauce.
That's one dish.
That's one. Not quite done yet. In the second, I'm going to make a white Bolognese. Now, same start, I just did the meat all together and I split it. I'm going to add some sauteed mushrooms. Okay. I'm going to mix those in. To the sauteed mushrooms, I'm going to add about 4 ounces of dry vermouth. We're going to get that going down. Okay. To that, I'm going to add several ounces, 4, 5, 6 ounces of chicken broth. Let that come up, and then we're going to continue. Crushed black pepper to both. A little bit of salt. I don't go crazy with the salt because we are going to add some cheese. I am going to add a couple of shakes of red pepper. I'm going to add
A very healthy helping.
yeah,
Parmigiano Reggiano.
Ah, there we go. Work that down a little bit. Now, to this, I'm going to add some heavy cream. We're going to add probably 6-7 ounces of heavy cream. Let that come to a boil, and then we're going to go to the next step.
Which is...
Give it a minute.
Giving it a minute.
I want to reduce this a touch. And that'll start going. Now, because I added cream to this, I'm going to add some fresh nutmeg. Just a little bit. Now, pick up the cream. I'm also going to add just a touch of allspice. Now comes dish number 3. What I decided to do, because I had this beverage last night and today,
Yeah.
I'm going to make kind of a combination dish. We're going to add,
Now you're getting crazy.
you know, I'm not that far off to begin with, so. This is coming up nicely. So to this now, I'm going to add some of the cream sauce. And this is nicely. As soon as that starts to boil, a little bit more, and a little bit down. We're good. Oops.
Little splash.
Little
back.
splash. You know what happens when you see a splash? That means I'm really cooking, folks.
If you're not making a mess, you're not really cooking.
Yeah, you know, it happens.
Every day.
I don't prepare everything first and then do it perfectly. No, I do it for real. So if there's a goof or a splash, I'm cooking.
Every single day.
Yeah. All right, this is coming up to a boil. What I'm going to do now is I'm adding some clear liquid. I'm adding some vodka.
Told me
I
it was
shouldn't
water.
have done that on the flame. Usually you take it off the flame and it'll ignite, but I'm pretty safe with that right now.
And he hasn't had that much to drink.
Yeah. Let that work down.
A little quick side note, I also see you take your martini shaken, not stirring.
Yes. Just as a matter of convenience, I did it that way.
How come a vodka martini? Why not gin?
I actually can't drink gin. Oh, I can.
You can, yeah.
It's something with the juniper berries. It gets me crazy. The last time I had gin martinis was many, many years ago. And after a couple of those...
And by a couple, you mean...
more than one.
Touche.
I was vaulting parking meters on 3rd Avenue in Brooklyn and doing somersaults in the middle of the road.
He used to be a gymnast.
So, yeah, I don't do gym anymore.
Nor gymnastics.
Yeah,
You could call it gymnastics.
all right, so what I'm going to do here, let's drop this a touch. Let's pick this up a touch. I have some pasta cooked off. Now normally, folks that watch my videos all the time know I don't normally mix the pasta with the sauce. I keep it separate, put the sauce on top. For this, I am going to mix. So what we're going to do here is I have some pappardelle. Already cooked off. We are just going to work it into the sauce.
Now, is this the kind of pasta you traditionally use in a bolognese?
You can. Pappardelle bolognese works very well together. In the white, I'm going to put some rigatoni. That one don't count.
It's mine. Called it. 5-second rule.
He is so not well.
I get it from somewhere, right?
Yeah, I guess.
I've never had, actually, have I had gin? I think once or twice I've had gin.
Yeah.
And I don't know how to vault on parking meters, so...
That was a fun evening, if you will.
Evening.
Well, it was at night.
Evening, night, damn.
Okay, and I'm going to use the pappardelle.
I will stick with my whiskey. And maybe some rum every now and then.
There you go. Let that cook. Sorry, forgot one of these.
It happens.
Okay, dish number one, folks. Pappardelle Bolognese.
Numero uno.
Number two.
Numero dos.
White Bolognese.
Numero tres. Excuse me. Damn. I'm getting hungry just looking at it.
Okay, so what we're going to do now,
That one might need a little bit more at the end. Might.
we're going to shave.
I did that yesterday.
There we go, folks. 3 different style of bolognese. We have a traditional bolognese. We have a white bolognese. We actually have a martini bolognese.
There we
if
go.
you will. It already had the vermouth in it from the white. We added the vodka, a vodka sauce bolognese. Call it whatever you like. But try it at home. It's a delicious dish.
I most certainly will.
And enjoy. Till next time, please like, share, subscribe. Any comments, leftovers by Lou at Gmail. Be safe and good cooking.